exciting animal, and it's this snake right here. I think it's a little cold, but it's laying right in the middle of the trail. And a hiker in front of us actually pointed it out to us before we got up here because he didn't want to step on it. But it's a pretty snake, got pretty colors. Not a rattlesnake like we're hoping to see, but still a snake.
Okay.
All right, we found our second snake right before camp. The rattlesnake is right in here. As you see, he's going into the rock. He just went across the trail in front of us. And you'll see his rattle coming in view right now, right there. He's going under the rock for the night. There he goes. Welcome to sunny Arizona. Very windy. It's in the morning. We finally got up in time to start hiking because this wind has been outrageous all night long. Sucking our tent in and out. It's been crazy. I mean, it's been a nutty night. We're about 1.7 miles from going into Kearney. We've done about 9 miles so far this morning. Got up and left about 6. And we finally have hit the
poppies
part that's coming to life. You see all the flowers in bloom. And we've been seeing this now for about a mile, but not this thick. And it's sprinkling the rain. The rain's supposed to come in tonight and tomorrow. So we're planning on taking a half a day and then all day tomorrow and get back out on Thursday.